Want to know what 1.5 million will get you in Little Portugal? What's up, you guys? It's Josh Tavares, licensed realtor with eXp Realty Brokerage based in Toronto. And our channel, we talk about all things real estate investing, marketing, and personal branding. Remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and jiggle the notification bell to get updates on our newly uploaded content. Today, I'm showing you guys around high-end $1.5 million condos in Little Portugal in downtown Toronto. Come check it out. There you have it. Now you know what 1.5 million will get you in Little Portugal in Toronto. I hope this video was super insightful and helpful. I'm Josh Tavares, licensed real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage based in Toronto. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care.